Here we're looking at part number THSP. This is the two-piece Hasp only zinc plated. So this is the piece that you'll typically see on like your enclosed cargo trailers that your bar lock slides onto. You would open this piece up right here and you'd slide your bar down and then close it up and give it a lock. And these things tend to break quite often for some reason. So this is your replacement for that bar lock right here. Zinc plated, nice. It is two-piece. And we'll just go over it real quick. So from the center hole, it's going to be like 4 inches, as you can see. And the overall, you're going to be right at 5 inches. And yeah, not much to say about this piece. Just a nice little replacement for you. And I'll actually show you the bar lock that you typically see with them. Let's walk over here. So typically you'd see them like on these bar locks right here. Your bar, and it would just come down and go right in there. And you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks.